Okay, so there's plenty of videos of how to remove Sankey S type fittings, Sankey keg fittings from sort of kegs. There's quite a lot using screwdrivers and other stuff. This way, just going to use, probably best thing to do is invest in the right tool. You can use the sort of the Sankey fitting, you would do it. Now, basically, what the main challenge is, you can unscrew them okay. It's getting past this tab here. So this tab is a locking mechanism. So there is some pressure and somebody sort of inadvertently undoes the keg. This isn't going to sort of explode in their face or hit them in the face or embed itself in the ceiling, because there's quite a lot of pressure inside a keg. The best thing to do then is to get your Sankey kitting to start with, put it down onto the keg to make sure there's no gas, and let all the gas, and you'll get some beer maybe out of it. Now these are all my own kegs from my brewery. These are mine, so obviously I don't recommend anybody acquiring kegs via any other reason, any other means. Okay, so just something to bear in mind. Now, lots of examples of people using how can I put it, fairly violent means of getting this open. Okay, so the main thing is, what we're going to do is that in the middle here there's a center ring inside that, and what we're going to do is you're going to basically, you can do it with this fitting, and there's a couple of videos where you can just put a 10p coin on that and press it down on the top and open it up. But actually, I'd recommend is going out and spending 10 quid or 12 quid on a tool to get it open for you. It saves an awful lot of hassle. Okay, these are on eBay. They're Sankey S type key removal. Just a bit better, bit more, and you're not going to damage these fittings, which are actually more expensive than the tool. So anyway, it's worth going to get it. You can do it with a tool, and there's a couple of videos how to do it. What you got to do basically is just loosen this up slightly. Okay, so this will be fairly tightly in, and one of the advantages using this fitting is you can actually just use the thing just to loosen it slightly. You don't want to go very far. Just loosen it so it starts to unscrew, and basically then is put some coins so they sit over that part of the inner part of the key fitting. Now, based on some research and experimentation, you need about £3.10 in UK money to do this. This involves no screwdrivers, no brute force, and so basically you'll stack those in the middle of the thing, and basically you can then push down. If I get this right, hang on. Now, it will be a fairly tight fit, but should be able to do it by hand. So there we go, we're on. Okay, and then that should push down enough to release the tab, so when you unscrew the Sankey thing, the tab comes undone as well. It's as simple as that. Okay, and as I say, £3.10, but if you do it with the other thing, you might just be able to get away with the one coin. What you make sure to do is don't unscrew it all the way first, just do it bit by bit. Hope that's useful. Thanks so much.